is up and welcome back to the channel. And this is the place where the competition is gonna happen, and we're staying over here, boys are over here. Everybody is excited, right, Ronis? How was the track?
Confusing jump
We are setting up our bikes over here. Milanda utala cha bike sek duera, and this is dawa bike ko bike ho. Exhaust haldek cha, and the face mask, mask face mask, and then for me I've installed this exhaust. I still got some work over here to do. I won't be removing the headlight this time because afterwards it will be very hard to install it. Dago I always helping है, others
helping hand.
तब भी हेल्प करता है, लेकिन ये बंदा सिर्फ फोन ही खिलाता रहता है. And he is Brownish style 46.
46 का हो.
46.
47.
Yeah, 47. My bad, my bad.
Clutching, huh?
Now I give the time to KAMC President Mr. Kevin Relay Solo.
Okay, this is the briefing going on over here.
Serial number double.
Hello bro, hello, how are you feeling?
Right now we are only waiting for our turns, and I think today will be the qualifying round and tomorrow will be the final. This is the first day of the event, and boys are over here. This is the place where we're gonna start our race, because for autocross it's different route, and for motocross it's gonna be different. It's not hot today, as you can see the weather. I hope it don't rain. Hey. We did some couple of laps, and the track was very slippery in the morning. Let's see if the sun comes out, then I think it'll be a little dry and it'll be more easier to ride in this track. If it rains, it's gonna be a very tough race, and everybody's waiting. Boys over here, some boys over here from Shillong, and we are here. All boys over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We got 18 riders in the newbies, and we are deciding that we'll take 2 races so that it doesn't get crowded in the track. So riders are deciding that they'll do 2 races, 9 riders, and they will select 5 riders. So yeah, let's see what the organizers have to say. day is down, and there was a little bit of confusion positioning, and that has been solved right now. So the day is over. We gotta come back tomorrow. We played 2 races, and then this is it. Oh, brother,